Well, I work for a food service warehouse. The warehouse distributes all the food to all the kids. And they're like, the whole district, and I'm like, yeah, it comes out of here. It comes out of one warehouse. You know, this is already for tomorrow. This is already set up to go out tomorrow here. Product comes off the truck like that, goes in the freezer, of course. If Desiree needs it, that's when it goes to her.
So walking through here, we're headed to the bakery. In the bakery alone, we have 45 employees. We'll prepare a total today, probably about 80,000 on the lines, about another 25,000 cinnamon rolls, and then about another 10,000 of the individually wrapped products. This line, they're going to put in the potatoes. They'll come through, pick it up, and then roll it out to the freezer.
We sort it by date that she brings it in. We call this the loading area right here. It's kind of a typical load right here. It comes in. We got drivers coming in between like 1:30, 2 o'clock.
I've been called the milkman. I've been called the ice cream man. The other kids correct him and say, no, he's bringing our food for tomorrow. And today started 1:30. I have 5 schools. We come here twice a week, so it's like a double load. As you can see, my truck is very full today. I'm usually done about 9 o'clock. Back in the yard about 9:45. Glad to be part of helping out where I can.
And I'm very proud and I'm very lucky to have the job that I have, because we do our best to give 100% every day to make sure that within what we can produce, we give the kids the best things that they can have.
This job is fulfilling for me, honestly. I think I come in here and I'm like, okay, I did some good that day.